Let us see the next topic, students. Calculate the percentage of ionic and covalent character of hydrofluoric molecule having bond distance 0.92 Armstrong degree and the dipole moment equal to 1.78 dB. That HF, H plus and F minus, one electron charge of the electron is, they will give 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 electrostatic unit ESU. So because the mu is the observed value 1.78 dB, that is 1.78 10 into 10 to the power of minus 18 ESU coulomb meter. So 1 dB value is 10 to the power of minus 18 ESU coulomb meter. So distance is given 0.92 Armstrong degree. 1 Armstrong degree equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. Therefore, if it is in a meter to centimeter, 10 to the power of minus 8 meter. So here 0.92 Armstrong degree is converted to 0.92 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter, but not to be in a meter, it to be converted into coulomb meter, that is 1.78 in ESU, and coulomb meter is converted to 0.92 into 10 to the power of minus 8 coulomb meter. So in this meter to, I mean this Armstrong degree is converted into centimeter, meter to centimeter. But this cm is coulomb meter. It is not centimeter. This is coulomb meter. This 10 to the power of minus 10 meter is converted to centimeter. It is 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. So because meter is converted to centimeter, it should be divided by 100. So when the 100 goes up, it becomes this thing. It is, multiply by 100 meter to centimeter, multiply by 100. So 100 is 10 to the power of 2. That is 10 to the power here minus 10, higher 10 to the power of 2 comes to 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. So meter to convert it to centimeter is now multiplied by 2. Centimeter to meter only to divided by 100. So the percentage of ionic character equal to mu observed value divided by, dipole moment observed value divided by dipole moment of theoretical value percentage into 100. So mu theoretical value is equal to Q into D. So charge into distance. So here always that observed value will be given in the question. 1.78 into 10 to the power minus 18 ESU coulomb meter. So the theoretical value is Q into D. So the charge is 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 8 ESU into D value 0.92 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. So during the, the substitution of everything, 1.78 into the power of minus 18 ESU coulomb meter divided by 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 ESU into 0.92 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. So the percentage is 40.3. So all the percentage we got it. Let us see the calculation part. In this 1.78 into 10 to the power of, 2, I have written as 100 by 4.8 into 0.92. Here we will simplify, I will cancel everything. 10 to the power of minus 8 and 10 to the power of minus 10 comes to 10 to the power of minus 18 and numerator 10 to the power of minus 18. Both the 10 to the power of minus 18 is cancelled. So we are having 1.78 in the numerator. In denominator 4.8 into 0.92 into percentage. So this we have written as a 1.78 in the numerator, in denominator 4.8 into 10 to the power of, 4.8 into 0.92. First we will do this, make this decimal into the whole number. So 178, 2 decimals are there. So we will write it as a 178 and 2 decimals, so 100. Into this one. This 4.8 into 0.92 multiply like in a simple way 92 and 48. Already I showed this tricks to multiplication. 4 into 9, 36, 36. And 4 into 2, 0, 8. And 8 9s are 72. And 8 2s are 16, 1, 2. 6 added. 8, 9, 11. And carry over 1. 7 plus 7, 14, 1. Carry over 1 here, 4. So 416. Here the decimal is, here 2 decimal and here 1 decimal, so totally 3. After 3 point, we should keep the point. 4.416, approximately 4.42. So write down 1.78 divided by 4.42. So 1.78 divided by 4.42. So remove this decimal. 178 divided by 2 decimal means add 2 0. Division 442, 2 decimal, so divided by 100. So for multiplication, we should write the reciprocal of this term. So here 178 into 100 by 442 into 100, we will get it here. 178 by 100, this 100 will go up, this 442 will come down in the multiplication. So this 100 and this 100 get cancelled here, cancelled, and 178 divided by 442. So 178 to be divided by 442. So write 442 tables. Simple way 1 to 9 table, if you know, we can write it. 442 into 0, 0. 442 into 1, 442. 442 into 2 multiplication. Simply you just multiply and keep ready this. Now come and see this 442 in a 178. It will not go. So put a 0 point. Then you take four digits, and then you see below 1780, which value it has, this one. So this has below 1768. So it is 4 times. Put 4 times and subtracted 1200, and 1200, which is lesser than this. 1200, this is the lesser than 1200, so it is 2 times. So here it is a 120 only, so add a 0 means we should add 0 here also. So 884 and minus it, and this is below that, it is 3094 7 times. So here 7 times, then subtract. Simple simplification. If you do this very quickly, we can have the answer. So 178 by 442 equal to 0.4027, approximately 0.403. So 0.403 into 100, percentage here. Here into percentage. So we got a 40.3%. In this, our answer is 40.3% for ionic character. In order to find the covalent character, subtract the 40.3% by 100, we'll get remaining 59.7% is covalent character. So in simple way, directly we can apply that 1.78D divided by 4.8 into 0.92. Directly we can apply it because it both will get cancelled. So what we can directly, we can apply it and get that.